Hello. Question 1. Could you tell me a bit about yourself? Hello. My name is Edinson Reina. I study industrial engineering at the Open and Distance University. I like sports and in my spare time I play football. Question 2. Why do you want to work for this company? I have always admired this company and I have the necessary skills to fit in and give up my learning for the development and growth of this company. Question 3. What are your goals for the future? Create a company and generate employment for my region. Support sport and yet took no main parts of the world to many people and culture. Question 4. What are your greatest strengths and weaknesses? I stand out for being keen to help everyone who needs help whenever I can. My strength is innovation and entrepreneurship, but I have the weakness of trusting as people and not forgiving touch wo betray my migrate weakness. It's almost never begin on time. Question 5. Can you tell me a bit more about the skills you transferred from your previous line of work to work department here? Being innovative is something that would be good for this company. I have also always maintained a great work environment. I do not like to create labor problems and I have enough experience in this field of work to solve any problem.